Hi, Piox and Chriselle.
Bye Piox, madam. Congrats to the new parents to be.
Hi Ma'am and Sir Pukes. Congrats sa new baby. Excited kami sa bagong pamangkin and we wish for a happy and joyful parenthood and sana smooth delivery for moms. And see you soon sa pamangkin. Sana makita namin soon.
Hi! Congratulations, Piox and Chriselle, on your pregnancy. I pray that God will guide you through this journey and sana lahat maging smooth. I speak blessing to your baby. Sana maging healthy siya and maging kamukha ni Chriselle. Sabi ni David, magbigay daw ako ng advice. Wala naman ako mabigay na advice kasi single ako. But siguro I just share to you yung kung paano kami pinalaki ng parents ko na surrounded by Christian people. So surround your family with Christian friends. Yun lang. Alright, and may bababati yun daw sa iyo. Ito rin.
Hi, Piox and Chriselle. Ang seryoso naman ni Mark. Well, excited na kami na makita yung new baby ninyo. And we hope na syempre makapunta kami dyan sa Qatar. Mas maigi na dyan namin ma-meet yung baby nyo.
Tapos mag-apply na tayo.
Pag hindi, syempre dito. Yun. Well, safe kay Mark. Wala masyadong advice but siguro sundan agad. See you. Hope to see you. God bless everyone.
Bye!
Hi, Tay. Hi, Michelle. I am one of Piox's college best friends, and I am so happy for you guys, and I am so excited. Wishing you so much joy for your wonderful blessing and beautiful blessing into this world. I hope to one day see you soon. Bye-bye.
Sir Pukes, Chriselle, congratulations. Oy, may abangan na kaming pamangkin.
Piox, congratulations and more kids to come.
Congrats, Pukes and Chriselle. Sana next time, triplets na. Congrats, Sir Pukes and Chriselle.
Ba't naman friend? Sino yan? Hi Sir Piox, Chriselle. Congratulations. Daddy ka na boy.
Hello, Pukes and wife. Congrats sa baby.
Congratulations, Piox and Chriselle. Perfect.
Yun na. Hi Sir Piox, hi Chriselle. Congrats sa newborn baby. Ay, hindi pa newborn, hindi pa pala pinapanganak. Ulit! Congrats sa newborn po nila mag.
Congrats po Sir Piox and Ma'am Chriselle sa firstborn.
Hi, Piox, Chriselle. Congratulations! May baby na.
Hi ma'am. First of all, I would like to congratulate you and Sir Pukes for this wonderful blessing na dumating sa inyong family. Malapit na ang due date. So we pray for a safe pregnancy journey and also safe delivery sa inyong baby. Wala ka balo si Don Don. Karoon na siya kabaw. Kaya na ako'y greeting ngayon sa inyo. But congratulations sa inyo ni Sir Pukes. We pray for a safe delivery ulit. And also we are excited to meet your baby. We hope to see you soon. Stay safe. We know na kakayanin mo to yung bagong journey sa iyong life, bagong stage sa iyong life, which is motherhood. We know you kung gaano kakabait as a tita and also as a friend to us. So, we know that kaya mo to. So, stay safe and we hope to see you soon. Bye-bye!
Piox, congratulations and more kids to come.
Hi Piox and Chriselle. Congratulations for the blessings and enjoy babysitting. Bye!
Congrats po sa Piox and Chriselle.
Hi, congratulations to the new parents to be, Sir Piox and Chriselle, and I'm wishing you a safe and healthy delivery and more to come.
Hello, Pukes and Grisel. First of all, congratulations to this blessing. I am truly happy that finally you will be receiving God's greatest gift to your marriage, which is the gift of having a baby. Naniniwala ako na kayong dalawa ay magiging amazing parents to your little one, and especially Pukes, I am a witness of your love to your family, especially to your mother and your sibling, and naniniwala ako na you will carry this kind of love, which is a genuine love and unconditional love to your own family, not only as a loving husband to Grisel, but also as a responsible father to your child and future children. So I just wish you happiness, and as you navigate your journey towards parenthood, so I am praying to God that He will continue to guide you, grant you wisdom and protection all the time, and God bless your growing family. And Pukes, dapat mag-practice ka ng shake kasi marami kang gatas na titimplahin. At the same time, good luck sa pagpupuyat. Alam ko naman praktisado ka doon, and again, congratulations.
Cheers! Congratulations, Pukes and Grisel, on your pregnancy. Excited na kami makita si baby. And swerte niya, meron siyang mabait na mommy and napakabait na daddy. Hoping for a smooth and safe delivery, and see you soon.
Congrats pre Pukes and Grisel sa baby niyo. Masaya kaming lahat dito na magkakaroon na kayo ng baby. Pinagpipray ko na sana matanggap na ng pamilya niyo yung maagang pagbubuntis ni Grisel para makauwi na kayo dito sa Pinas. Good luck and stay safe always.
Seryoso Bree, we are very happy sa inyong dalawa kapatid na Pukes and kapatid na Mesh. Hoping for a safe delivery. Excited na kami makita si baby. Congrats ulit and Kampai. Let's go.
Cheers!
Kampai!
Congratulations, Ma'am Shi. And excited na kami na ma-meet si baby girl, ang iyong bagong kachismisan. Gusto mo yan. So, I'm praying also na maging safe ang iyong panganak, and also maging healthy si baby. And take care kayo lahat dyan. And see you soon, kayong tatlo. Congratulations ulit, Mom and Sir.
Pukes, congratulations and more kids to come.
Hi Kuya. Congrats. Congrats sa inyo ni Grisel. Congrats sa bagong reason para magpatuloy. Yan. Sabi ni David kanina, pwede daw ako mag-advise. So I'll just share something that I'm practicing as a parent. So I've learned that the best way I can teach my child on how he should live his life is not by just telling him what to do. The best way is to be the person that I want him to be. So meaning to say, I can't just say, anak, kailangan you have to be disciplined. If I'm not disciplined, I can't tell my son, you have to be healthy if I'm not healthy. And the best way to teach him to keep on growing is for me to keep on growing as well. So, yun yung bagay na ina-apply ko ngayon talaga. Kay Grisel, Congrats din sa'yo. Syempre, it's not gonna be easy, but I know you're strong. And yeah, just be happy. And syempre to my soon to be born niece, I'll see you soon. And I'll see you all soon. Ingat kayo palagi. Bye. See you.